You'll have to pardon me on this late addition to the video here. Here we have a Crosswave Cordless Max machine, and I've included some footage hopefully, and maybe I'll narrate over this a little bit. It's just like the Crosswave you plug in, except it's cordless, and to be honest with you, it's fantastic. It does a great job at hardwood floors. It's fantastic. You get a cat like this who might pee on the floor, or there's barf or puke. If you like do a quick material pickup with like a paper towel, you can come in with this guy and just suck it up and clean it and washes it. We use the cat formula in the back tank here, and it does a great job at that to make the stink and smell go away. The front is easy to unload. This machine's probably six months to a year old, to be honest with you, at this point. That's how pushed back this is. But it is a great machine. We leave it on the dock all the time. We do clean it periodically, especially when we're running. You can get it to the point where you need to stop, clean it, and then go back to cleaning because it will just get so muddy on it. The neat part about this machine, and this one's running one now, is you can buy aftermarket brushes. I think we got a couple off Amazon. These are the multi-pet, multi-surface brushes. They do make just wood ones, which are essentially all fiber. The carpet ones have the little red things on them, and we actually have one that's just all red carpet. That one is not so great. It's just for carpets, and it does an okay job. This machine is okay at like entry carpets. Once you get into some deep shag, you do need your big machine. You need your big carpet cleaner. This will clean up topical stuff like rust, like puke and stuff. But the key to this guy is that it does spills wonderful. So you spill milk on this floor, bam, you can go right to this thing, suck it right up, no big deal at all. And then over a period of time, your floor gets dirty, you come in and you just do the floor. And it really makes it simple. Cordless makes it simple. We can do probably the house on a charge. And it's a 2,200 square foot house with all our floors and stuff like that. You can do the bedrooms, the bathroom, the kitchen, go downstairs, we've got linoleum. It can do it all on one charge. So that is the handy part as well. It's fairly frugal on the fluid. So I overall recommend this machine. It is fairly expensive, so catch it on sale like we did. We got ours at Canadian Tire, but whatever store you typically buy your appliances for. You're wondering, why do we have a little star sticker there? Well, for Christmas, we ended up putting these in our bedroom, and it likes to connect to the Wi-Fi. And I won't get into the app too much because honestly, it's a waste of your time. But if it's not connected to the Wi-Fi, it blinks. So we put the little Starship sticker there so it doesn't blink in our bedroom, and it works out fine. It'll probably come and move back out here now that Christmas is over, but that's why that sticker is there. Otherwise, awesome machine. Very much enjoy it. Like I say, you can get accessories and things on Amazon. So I would definitely say it's worth it. Is it over and above the plug-in unit? Well, not having used the plug-in unit, I can't say, but I will say not having a cord has been super handy, and the battery life has been actually fantastic. So we're super pleased with that. If you have any questions on it, I would recommend it. Comments on it. If you have one and you don't like it, or you do, let us know. And subscribe to our channel, Red Barn Homestead, for more unboxing, opening, and review type videos. The Crosswave Cordless Max is definitely a go. It's handy for sure, especially when you have animals. It does do quite a bit of pet hair as well. You can always tell when you pop this top off, and you can get replacement filters too. I think we bought a whole kit that they'll get stuck in this little brown thing here. This will be just all hair. And that'll be, it's like, where'd that all come from? Well, it came from all our cats and things like that. So it's good to have. Subscribe to our channel, Red Barn Homestead, and you folks have a good day.